Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about best computer skills for future. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So the first computer skill is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. ML, which is machine learning, is a subset of AI where machines learn from data. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa use AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. Second, recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix or Amazon suggest movies or products based on your past behavior. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate and make driving decisions without human intervention. Next skill is cloud computing. This involves using the internet to store and access data and applications instead of your computer's hard drive. Google Docs allows you to create, edit, and store documents online, which is accessible from any device. Microsoft Azure provides cloud services for building, testing, and managing applications. And same way you have Google Dropbox, which lets you to store files online and share them with others easily. So that is a good example of cloud computing. Next computer skill is cyber security. This is about protecting computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access or attacks. Example of cyber security is firewalls protect your network by blocking unauthorized access to the resources. Encryption ensures that data sent over the internet is secure and unreadable by unauthorized parties. And two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. So when an OTP is sent to your phone and you also enter the password, that is multi-factor authentication. Another skill, which is data science analytics, is going to have a great future. So this involves analyzing large set of data to find patterns and insights. Example of that is customer segmentation helps a business group customers based on purchasing behavior to tailor marketing strategies. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing uses data to predict when equipment will need maintenance, reducing downtime. And another example is health analytics can analyze patient data to predict disease outbreaks or personalized treatment plans. So data science and analytics is going to have great future. Next is blockchain, a technology that allows secure and transparent transactions without a central authority. Example of blockchain is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use blockchain to record transactions securely. Another one is supply chain management uses blockchain to track products from origin to delivery, ensuring transparency. And smart contracts automatically execute agreements when predefined conditions are met without the need for intermediaries. Another skill which is booming at the moment is robotic process automation, which is called as RPA. This involves using software robots to automate repetitive tasks. In voice processing, bots can extract data from invoices and enter it into accounting systems. Customer service bots can handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Data migration bots can transfer data between systems without manual intervention. Another skill is software development. So this is about creating applications and software programs using programming languages, which is C#, Java, and C. Example of that is going to be mobile apps like WhatsApp or Instagram are developed using programming languages and frameworks. Web development involves creating websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, jQuery, etc. Game development uses languages like C++ and engines like Unity to create video games. Another skill is networking. This involves connecting computers and other devices to share resources and information. Setting up a home Wi-Fi network allows all your devices to connect to the internet. Virtual private networks, which is called as VPN, provide secure connections over the internet, protecting your data. Network troubleshooting involves diagnosing and fixing issues like slow internet speeds or connectivity problems. Since we are going to have a lot of computers or electronic devices in future, this is where we need technical support. This involves helping people solve their computer and technology problems. Help desk support assists users with software installation and troubleshooting. Remote support allows technicians to access and fix issues on a user's computer from a different location. Hardware repair involves diagnosing and fixing physical issues with computers and other devices. So these are the skills which are going to have a very high demand in future. So you can pick any one of these skills to learn so that you can grow in future. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.